Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 Bluetooth mouse not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and run the Bluetooth. The second method is that in the search box type a services, open a services, and after doing this that find out a select a Bluetooth support services, select a automatic, click start to continue, click apply, click OK and start the services. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a ms config, open a system configurations, go to your services, click on hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all, click on apply and OK button, click on restart now. After restarting that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, select a mic and other pointing devices, select a Bluetooth your mouse driver, click on right click to update driver, click on search automatic, click on search for update driver on Windows Update. If any updates are available, then download and install in your PC. Click on download and install. So it's required of a few minutes to download and install. So after completing, if any updates available, then download and install in your PC. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, select a mic and other pointed devices, go down, select a Bluetooth mouse, right click, click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, select a version, click on next to continue and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, select a mic and other pointed devices, select your Bluetooth mouse driver, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.